We are here officially at the, what the heck is this place called?
We are here at the Florida RV Super Show in Tampa, and we are here on a special day. It's like Media Industry Day because we have these special badges because we have a YouTube channel.
So we get to come in here before all the masses come in here and check out these things when nobody's in them.
No crowds,
it's amazing to be here, but I kind of miss the energy of all the people. I think that's part of the fun of it, right?
I think so. We might have to come back. We are a family of 5 that loves adventure, connecting with people, and trying something new.
Try something new every day.
6 years ago, we got rid of all of our stuff and moved into an RV full-time to give us the freedom to explore the world.
So hit that subscribe button and come along on the adventure with us. We only get one life to live, so let's live it up.
$288,000.
All right, so this Airstream is pretty awesome. Here we are at the accessories hall, checking out some accessories.
It's the pig in the video.
All right, so we were just watching a video this morning about the RV Tampa show, and we saw the pig walking around. And so we just got into this hall, and guess what we just saw? Here's the pig. The pig. Hi, Charlie girl.
She's so hard.
You're so pretty. Cinnamon glazed nuts, my favorite thing so far in the show. Oh, I need one of those palm trees for my RV setup.
Good. Good. I just got a chip clip with a measuring spoon.
Let me see it.
What?
I got a fan and a mitt. I want a cup. Stash, you know, my stuff in my pocket.
Yeah, big money.
Ooh, a cool.
All right, so right here is Thousand Trails. We have the membership and love it and have actually made a video about it. So maybe we should say hi. I just wanted to say hi, guys.
I love your hairdo.
Oh, thank you.
How are you?
So we have the adventure package.
Bye. See you later.
Nice meeting you.
I'll be contacting you. Nice talking to you.
Mommy, I want to.
So, 1,000 Trails, guys. If you get a chance, check them out. It's definitely worth it.
That was awesome. Put a face to the brand.
That was Thousand Trails?
Yes.
What? The main reason I wanted to come to the accessory hall was to get candy. What? Because we're so cute, we get it for free.
All right, so I think we're in the Mac Daddy section right here. Prevos. These are the multi-million-dollar RVs. So let's check it out.
All right, so these are so expensive, they don't even have the price tag on them. Multi-million-dollar RVs. So it's kind of funny the way they have it set up here at the Prevos booth because you feel like a peeping Tom looking at someone's windshield and you have your own staircase to do it. So I don't know, it's kind of funny.
So if you ever wondered what the underside of your RV looks like, this is it right here. This is called a chassis. And with the diesel pushes, the engines are in the back.
Smells so brand new. All right, so I was just picturing if me and Jimmy, once the kids are grown, if van life could be a thing for us, because I love when you open those back doors and you're parked on a beach and you just have the ocean view and the sunset. I was just daydreaming.
I don't know, I could barely turn around in here, and I think that's only that Instagram lifestyle that you're thinking of, because most of the
I
time
think you might be
you're
right.
gonna be in an RV park and not on the beach. Instagram ruins it for everybody.
I'm dead. This is how you open.
Do you think there's enough room in there for your mohawk?
I don't think this is gonna work. My mohawk doesn't fit. So these vans right here range from $90,000 to $150,000.
It's like the guns are in here.
It does look like that. Those like earth roamer things here.
All right, I don't know what this thing is, but it's called a Spacecraft.
Spacecraft has lots and lots of space.
This whole thing right here, except that door there, is an average hotel room.
It's big, it's spacious, it's a spacecraft, but I don't know. I think we lost somebody in there. Where's Sky at?
All right, so I just spotted, this one's called the Game Changer. So if it's called the Game Changer, we gotta check it out. Come on.
What do you think? Is it a game
All
changer?
right, here's the Game Changer. God, they're so tight.
I've never seen one.
Which one?
Look behind you.
All right, so what do you guys think about this one?
So guys, what do you think? I think it's actually not bad. When from the outside, it's just like it sits on the pickup truck.
That the table's way too high.
What do you think, Sky? I don't know. Is it $71,000 cool?
All right, now here is a 35-footer just like ours, so let's see the difference.
$995,000. I like this one better because it comes with a kettle.
There's a bed that comes down out of this thing right here.
All right, so the difference between our 35-footer and this 35-footer is a big difference. You have this whole side, you have this whole side, you have a huge residential fridge. This right here is a big selling point for me. But then let's take a look back here. You have the 2 sinks. You know what though? I don't really like the shower out like this. I like it privately in a bathroom. And then a very spacious master. So I think this is pretty cool. It's definitely, the layout's better in this one than ours, I have to say, 100%. Besides the price tag. So now with this one, this is $100,000 more than the last one we were just in. And I don't know, can you tell the difference? Does it feel like there's $100,000 more stuff in here?
Feels like the couch is different. It's electric.
Spacious master. Oh, and then I see another bathroom back here. All right, I think I could deal with having my own bathroom. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, I think I could deal with my own bathroom on a boat. That's what I think.
All right, so one thing that we know now is, say this RV right here is about $300,000, tax and all that included. Now for the price of a boat, you can get a catamaran for $300,000, but the big difference is you have to stay on land here in the US, but a boat could travel the world.
What kind of cat are you getting for $300,000? Because I want that
No,
one.
it's a small one. It's a small one, but it'll still float and it'll still get you around the world.
This one even has a cooler lock.
Ah.
Euro decor, Euro interior, Euro.
Oh, interesting.
Like if you think your RV can do multiple things at once, like it's really.
All right, so this is the first European model to kind of hit the market here in the US, and I'll tell you, it's very European. Careful, Sky.
Why is it very European?
All right, so we just ran into Hitting the Trail.
Hello.
How's it going, guys? Are you enjoying the show so far?
We are. It's very a little overwhelming because there's a lot of RVs here, and
These people right here were the very first people we met. And like I went to go ask some YouTube advice when we were coming to the show the first time.
Yeah, and you guys are doing great. All right, so this is what happens after a full day at the RV show.
Tired and hungry.
All right, so this one's 45 feet of awesomeness for $529,000.
Look how giant it is.
Sunglasses.
Hey guys, you see the bunk beds?
Oh, where?
Whoa.
Bunk beds.
I don't have bunk. I told you.
This is a pretty cool setup right here. Get that camera out, get that camera out.
What is up, girl? Hello. Fancy meeting you here. All right, so something that we got here, we've talked to these people on Instagram for I don't know how long now, is our not so perfect life.
What's your channel all about? What's your message?
Dude, man, we are encouraging, inspiring storytellers, man.
Love it.
Make everyday life beautiful.
High
That's
five,
it.
guys. High five. High five.
Yes.
That's exactly what we love.
Yes, thank you, Jimmy.
Guys, you gotta love the selfie. Let
That's
me get a
right.
selfie
Wait,
behind-
wait,
Oh,
wait,
stay there. I'm gonna get
how
a
do
selfie behind your selfie.
Wait, so I
There
have
we
to go
go.
like this then?
All right, so to give you a frame of reference here, how big this tire is,
Tire, what about the RV?
the whole thing. I mean,
Just don't touch it.
the
Look how
bottom
greasy.
of it, I know that thing. Don't touch that. But this is the bumper. It's up to my shoulder. Okay, so I think we have found the smallest RV, the little guy My Pod. Check it out. I don't know know how you actually sleep in this thing. Like, if you're taller than about 5'8", you might have a difficult time in here.
I think it would be fun to tow the family behind the vehicle with them in there. That'd be really fun.
That would be fun. Probably not very comfortable.
All right, so after walking a long way around here all day, it's nice to get in a little tram and get chauffeured around.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah, I agree. And I think the kids really agree.
I really agree with this shirt.
All right, so we thought the shuttle would be a little bit faster, but we're on a time restraint, and the shuttle is slower than walking. So now we're gonna get off and walk. What?
It's not that bad. I mean, we get to sit down.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna find them. I'm good. It's so nice to meet you officially. How are you guys?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. Hey, sweetie. How
Good
you
to see you.
doing? Good to see
Very
you.
good.
I know,
very good.
my hair is so
I'm
funny.
Miss Jessie. It's nice to meet you.
Now, how cool is this to have your back end of your fifth wheel come down and this thing, this military-grade vehicle, come out of the background? I think you might be the talk of the town if you did something like that.
I'm the driver. And the car shifter. Where do you want to go?
We are on a mission to find the brand new Winnebago all-electric RV. So that is, like, I think, the talk of the town, the buzz. And so, yeah, we're on a mission. And this place is far from one side to the other. And the kids are starting to melt. Are you guys okay? Are you melting down? All right, they're all right. Woo! All right, now let's find this electric RV. All right, so I think this is it. I think we found it. I don't know.
All right, so when I thought we were searching for an electric RV, I thought you meant like an RV, all electric. We got a little van over here with some electricity to it.
Is there multiple, or is this just this one?
How's it going? We're live on YouTube. I'm Chad as well. I like your name.
All right, I gotta say, I am a Winnebago guy. We have a Winnebago. We just went by the all-electric Winnebago exhibit. It's a cargo van that they converted to electric. Electric cars have been out for a long time, and I feel like we were searching and hoping for something bigger. Then a cargo van converted to an electric vehicle.
Already, Elon Musk already made them a long time before them.
How you feeling?
All right, so I'm starving. The food vendors aren't open today because it opens to the public tomorrow. I've eaten I don't know how many Lara bars. I can't eat another one, but I'm really starving. My lips are dry and I'm really thirsty.
Fun fact, that is actually real. In the morning, you're taller, and at night, you're shorter. Because all the weight and running, it makes you shrink a tiny bit, but when you lay down, you grow longer. It's like an infinite thing.
So something cool that is happening today for Industry Day is a whole bunch of us RV content creators, YouTube channels and whatnot, are having a little meetup under this dome right here. So I don't know how many people are gonna be there. I think we've met a couple already, just walking around. So, oh yeah, there's a lot of people there. Let's go see who's there.
So to me, this is actually more exciting than looking at all the RVs because I like people more than I like RVs.
Congregate over here to grab a quick photo.
RV content creators!
So we're all here because of the RV content creator group. So what a cool thing.
You're creating content on YouTube for RV space. You should be a part of this group.
All right, so all day long we've been looking at RVs. It's cool for a minute, but for me, the cool thing is the connection with the people.
Oh, for sure.
And so that's what a great part of this event, for me, a highlight of this event was coming here and meeting up with people, meeting up with other content creators and sharing some stories. And I wish we could have a drink, but there's no drinks there. But you know, just connecting, meeting, and sharing stories with each other.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Going good, Thomas. Nice to meet you. I'm on the hitch. That's my wife, Melissa, right there.
We're just a couple of southern crazy people who like to make YouTube videos about RV stuff. If you can't tell, we're from Georgia.
Yep.
And we like to talk.
We are Corey and Jesse from Finding Our Someday, and we've been on the road for 4 years with our teenagers who are now 16 and 14. And our story began many, many years ago when my dad was diagnosed with Lou Gehrig's when he was 46, and he lived for 7 years, and it changed our careers, and we started homeschooling so they could be with him and all that fun stuff. And after he passed away, he was 53 and he never got his Sunday, and so we just decided that was where we were going to go. So that's where our name comes from, and that's our story.
Hold on, I got to pull back a little bit. Goosebumps. You can't see me because I got a sweater on.
Yeah. So we're a Grateful Glamper, and really what we're about is just prioritizing experiences over things.
No, the group started totally selfishly. I wanted a place to discuss back-end stuff for YouTube, and it's grown now. We're over 600 members, and I think it's a good community to hone your craft and talk about the stuff that's not actually the video. RV content creators.
We sold everything a year ago this weekend and jumped in an RV just to experience life, and right?
Yeah, and it just morphed into something else. Now we kind of do what we do because we have this community that we're building online. We're getting to meet people and reach out to them, and we love it. So I thought we'd be home by now.
All right, we're trying to get the shot right here. All right, guys, we came to the Tampa RV show. We saw a lot of RVs. We met a lot of great people. We had a great time. I'm exhausted. Is anybody else exhausted?
I'm exhausted and I'm starving.
It's a lot of work.
And I'm thirsty.
We need to go get some Slurpees, some pizza, and some ice cream.
Yeah.
Who wants to do that? All right, guys. Whatever you do, get out there and
try something